Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gearbox token. Now the Gearbox token is just about to be listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here, Gearbox. So Gearbox, it was just announced 2 hours ago that this token will be listed on Mexc Global December 23rd at 8 a.m. UTC time. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GEAR, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. Now, Mexc Global is a great exchange because they have super low fees. Now, if you want to get this token before it gets listed on Mexc Global, it actually just got listed today, December 21st, on Hotbit. Now, same thing, if you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there, so you're welcome to use that too as well, and you can get the token on Hotbit 2 days before you can get it on Mexc Global. So, you have both options there, both decent exchanges. Mexc Global seems to have lower fees, and Hotbit seems to have better investing strategies for tokens, where you can put your tokens in DeFi farm pools and stake them and things like that. So check out both those referral codes. 23rd, it's listed on Mexc, and today, the 21st, it gets listed on Hotbit. Now, if you want to find more information, go over to @GearboxProtocol on Twitter. They have 42,500 Twitter followers. It says, composable leverage protocol. Open a credit account and use leverage on your favorite DeFi products. DeFi native prime brokerage. So that in a nutshell, that's what Gearbox is all about. Earn passive APY, annual percentage yield, by supplying liquidity to Gearbox, or get DeFi native leverage to use in Uniswap or Curve or Yearn, etc. Total value locked, $129.7 million. And it says choose your side. Gearbox protocol is essentially a two-sided lending marketplace. It connects users who want to have passive, safe, annual percentage yield and leverage degens who know how to make more with leverage and alpha. So the first side is the passive yield with low risk. It says first side for passive liquidity providers who don't want to actively manage their positions and simply want to get annual percentage yield rewards in the same asset. You can earn APY. The second side is degenning, which is managing risks. For leverage users, ninjas as we like to call them, who actively degen in farms, manage their own risks, and are very active in DeFi. And that is about credit accounts. So it says provide capital and earn yield. Earn passive APY without impermanent loss, no lockups on your capital or withdraw fees. Just sit back and earn yield. So it says you can get 10 times leverage and use it across DeFi. Are you a degen, a protocol, a firm, a strategist? It doesn't matter. If you have an alpha and want to earn more by using leverage. Open a credit account. It's like your smart contract leveraged wallet. Do everything you already love, but with more capital. You can have organic liquid APY from the largest billion-dollar protocols. Choose between the highest yields and position safety, delta neutral, cross collateral, or whatever you decide. Gearbox V2 leverage side credit accounts are currently in the beta stage, and DAO approved addresses can access it. So you can, if you're DAO approved, you can click on Get Access, and that will take you over to where you need to go. It's got integration, so 10-time leverage is available on SushiSwap, Lido, Convex, Curve, Uniswap, Yearn, and more. It says you want to see more. Gearbox protocol is potentially composable with many DeFi and NFT protocols and is designed as a building block, a primitive. You can build an integration for your protocol and even ask Gearbox DAO for a grant to help you out. So, holding the token involves voting rights. That's what DAO means, a decentralized autonomous organization. So the community decides on a lot of things with this project here. So you can click a button that says See Current Integrations. You can go over to their GitHub, and you can also check out dev documents. So it says audits. While no number of audits can make any protocol fully safe, we do our best to make it as secure as possible. Please keep in mind that security is a continuous process, so make sure to verify what protocol version has been audited by who. So they have different audits on here, one by Peck Shield, one by Consensus Diligence, Chain Security, Mexc Bytes, and Sigma Prime. So 5 different audits on this project here. So that's pretty crazy here. That's a lot. So then they have Immunify bounties up to $300,000. Review code, prevent hacks, build rep, and get paid. So you can get involved with a bug bounty on here. Governed by Gear Community, Gearbox DAO is in charge of all protocol operations, be it voting for parameters, new assets, protocol fees, and so on. There's no admin keys in the hands of any one single person. Join the Gearbox DAO and contribute to different aspects of the protocol, like governance, integration, marketing, you name it. Our ranks are steadily growing. Our teams and firms are welcome to build composable leverage together. And so you could look at the monthly DAO reports on here. You could check out all their links. They have Medium, Twitter, Discord, Forum, Notion, DevDocs, Documents, Risk Dashboard, Data Studio, GitHub, DApp, Mainnet, Analytics, and Dune links. And then even more links at the bottom of their page. And you can check it out on gearbox.fi is their official webpage. Yeah, so check them out. They got listed today on Hotbit, and they're getting listed on Mexc Global in 2 days on the 23rd. Check out both those referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about Gearbox? Do you think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.